1. Jamaican ital cooking is based on traditional Rastafarian dietary guidelines. This means that it is typically vegetarian or vegan, as the Rastafarian diet prohibits the consumption of meat and dairy products. 2. The use of natural, unprocessed ingredients is a key feature of ital cooking. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are commonly used to create flavorful and nutritious dishes. 3. Herbs and spices play a big role in ital cooking, with favorites including thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and allspice. These ingredients not only add flavor but also have medicinal properties. 4. One of the most popular ital dishes is ackee and saltfish. This dish is made from the national fruit of Jamaica, the ackee, and salted cod. It is a staple dish in Jamaican cuisine. 5. Callaloo is another popular ital dish. It is a spinach-like vegetable that is cooked with coconut milk and spices. It is delicious and nutritious, and it is a must-try for any ital food lover. 6. Pescatarian ital dishes include dishes like rundown, which is a fish dish cooked in coconut milk, tomato and spices. It is a hearty and flavorful dish that is perfect for a rainy day. 7. Traditional cooking methods are often incorporated into ital cooking, such as smoking, barbecuing, and using a jerk method. This involves dry rubbing or marinating meats with a spicy blend of herbs and spices before cooking over hot coals. 8. Ital cooking emphasizes simplicity and the use of minimal ingredients. Rastafarians believes that cooking should be simple and natural, and that's what makes ital cooking so special. 9. Ital cooking is not just about the food, it's also about the culture and lifestyle that it represents. Rastafarians use ital cooking as a way to connect with nature and to promote health and wellness. 10. Ital cooking is not only popular in Jamaica but also in other parts of the Caribbean and the world. With its delicious and nutritious dishes, it is easy to see why ital cooking has become so popular. 1.